Start by updating your current Google Pay app. This ensures you have the latest features and security enhancements. Next, back up your payment methods and transaction history. Go to Settings in your Google Pay app and choose Backup. Sign into your Google account on the new device. Make sure you're using the same account linked to Google Pay. Download the Google Pay app on your new phone. It's available in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and log in using your credentials. Your account details should automatically sync. Make sure everything looks right. Check payment methods and transaction history for accuracy. You may need to verify your identity. Google Pay may prompt you to enter a verification code. Once verified, check your notifications. Google Pay will inform you about the transfer completion. Finally, test a small transaction to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. And there you have it. Your Google Pay is now ready to use on your new phone. Have fun making quick and secure payments. Enjoy your new device in peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.